Rakhi Singh and I'm back with the another and your favorite video of all time, and it's a highly requested video on my channel. So in this haul, all the kurtis are for festive seasons or for some special gatherings, family occasions or something like that, because they are so amazing, and I'm sure this video is going to be very colorful for sure. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Also, if you're watching me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon next to it so that whenever I release a video, you get the notification. Now let's move to the video without any further ado. Orange Mandarin collar anarkali kurta with embroidery. This is an orange kurta from Sangria. Comes with extremely beautiful floral thread work and sheen texture on the neckline, which provides a luxurious charm to the elegant traditional look of this kurta. It's all over self-patterned, comes with sleek full sleeves, heavily flared design, traditional embroidery work on the waistline as well. Material is polyester. It is an ideal outfit for any day or night look. Actually, it's a perfect outfit for any festive look. Chanderi embroidered panelled anarkali kurti with angrakha design. It's a pretty peach color. Loved the fabric, which is polyester. It's very comfortable. It's very shiny, perfect for festive look. The embroidery on the neckline as well as on sleeves hem further adds a touch of uniqueness. Also, it's highlighted with wrap style, comes with these cute tassels, and you can pair it up with matching jeggings and heels, and that's all. Round neck double layer printed anarkali kurta. It's a double layer kurta and fabric is viscose rayon. It's a beautiful orange kurti with cute tassel detailing, exhibiting a subtle golden print and mirror work along the neckline, which I really loved. This is a very comfy and stylish kurti. Also, it's very classy at the same time. I just loved it, and it comes with golden motifs all over. You can just keep it simple by just pairing it with a matching chudidar and heels, and that's all. Brown round neck embroidery kurta. This kurta comes with red and golden color floral contrasting embroidery on the front. Fabric is viscose, which offers a free flow silhouette and total comfort. Highlighted with golden piping on the neckline and front. I have paired it with red chudidar. Instead, you can go for beige. Again, this is an ideal outfit for any festive look. Blue peacock printed anarkali kurta. Fabric is cotton, which is very soothing. I just loved this one. In my previous video, Raksha Bandhan outfit ideas, I have showed you this kurti and everyone was asking me from where I bought this. So guys, here it is, and it comes with two-sided pockets. Loved the silver gota work on the neckline and on the hem. It's very flary. You can style it as a dress for modern look, and for Indian look you can pair it up with matching jegging and dupatta, and this kurti is so colorful and unique. Libas multi-print kurta, another double layer kurta with a combination of olive and red color. It has really cute pom-pom detailing on the sleeves and hem area of the jacket. It comes with keyhole detailing. Material is viscose rayon, exuding classic charm and expressing elegant style with multi-print kurta from Libas. It will look pretty with leggings and strappy heels. And now my most favorite kurta of this haul. This is a shirt collar block print kurta. Fabric is cotton, which is great. Loop button styling on the half placket. It comes with block print all over, and the best is flared hem, which looks so good. Also, it has one side pocket. I really love the two shade detailing. And if you guys are looking for dark color kurtis for this festive season, then you must get your hands on it because I really liked it. Moreover, this looks so cute because maybe it's like a frock type of anarkali or because of two shades. But I'm sure it will provide a great glow on your face for this festive season. Just team it up with matching chudidar and heels, and that's all. And I'm sure you will look highly adorable in this. Libas maroon printed kurta. It provides a ultimate comfort with style. It's a jacket kurti, and the best part about jacket kurtas is you can always mix and match them with other outfits as well, and you can always wear them without jackets because they look like a proper kurta. And material is rayon. It's an ideal outfit for any casual as well as special events. You can always style it up with your oxidized jewelry for perfect look. Yellow Mandarin collar gold printed paneled anarkali. This showcasing a mix of golden dots, traditional floral motifs all over. Fabric is cotton, comes with two-sided pockets, highlighted by peach contrast striped panel on the hem and cuffs. Mirror work around neckline. Actually, it's not exactly mirror work, but it's kind of gota work which looks like mirror work, and it's very affordable and suitable for any festive occasion. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you like it, please don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Also do subscribe my channel for more such good videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.